So, the advisable way to build and test these VR apps is to have a headset cabled up to your GPU, and then you can run the game and test it immediately. However, there are going to be some of us who don't have a local PC with a GPU card, so you can't plug in a headset, you can't use the Oculus Quest with a link cable. So I am just going to show you my alternative method, which is the publishing of an Android APK and then loading that with SideQuest onto an Android headset, and that should help anybody developing for a Quest or a Quest 2. So let me just show you the settings I've got. Oh, this is my scene. Here's my VR rig down here. So everything's set up to go, and in fact I've already modified some settings. So let's just show them to you. Edit, project settings, and we want to look in player. Here we are, player, and the things of interest. Company name. You need a company name and the product name underneath it to differentiate the app when it gets over to the headset. So when you look in your headset, you will find lots of famous company names, and here's an infamous company name, Mark Jeffcock. So give yourself a new company name and give your product, your app, a product name, and give it a version number which you can keep pushing up. I could of course claim this is version 0.2, but in fact it's version 20 because it takes a lot of debugging. Okay, so here we go. Mark Jeffcock, company name, product name, Cloud Village, version 0.20. Now, that modifies things in the other settings. Other settings, down here, here's the package name, and it will eventually be known as when we move it over to the headset. See, it's just built up of the company name and the product name. It's copied the version number from above. Well, rather oddly, there's also this bundle version code, and at the moment I'm just keeping it in step because again the headset seems to be recognizing the bundle version code more than this official version number here. So I've got a version 20 as well. Okay, and then the other thing to say about the project settings is that there is a minimum API level which will work for us. We have to go with a minimum API of Android 6.0, that's level 23, and that should get us past any errors during the build process. Okay, let's just come out of project settings and go to build settings. And I suspect you've already done this, but basically I've just got the single scene which I'm going to build. I'm on Android. If you weren't on Android at the moment, you'd have to swap to Android, and it says switch or something like that down here, but this is okay. And I'm not going to use build and run, which you use when you've got a plugged in headset. I'm just going to use build, and it's going to give your last directory you've done your builds in. Here's my sorry history of old APK builds, and seem to have a PC problem at the moment. Presume you put in Cloud Village version 20 there and save, and you will build a new version 20. I'll do this outside of the video.